This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, then we are continuing. We are continuing with our form design, like as per the requirement, and you see it here. We have already designed the form for uh, finance. Not this instance. Just give me a second. This instance, I have to go through that. Come on, why it's taking too much time? I don't know. So, FS case management, we are implementing the form. So here, like we have designed some of the form, everyone is designed. I'm happy to say that, and we'll continue our development. Of the next first case. And create new. So till here we have created vendor portal also. The next one is the next checkboxes we have to do it, like configure form design. So the next field we need to create no color detail provided. Even we have that requirement in the this one, no color data provided. This one is like a true or false field. So here take the true or false field. With like no color detail provided, and u underscore no color underscore detail. And the next field we have to create vendor portal user. This is also true or false. Get it here, put it here. U underscore vendor portal user and save it. In the next field, we're gonna create 7 conserve color. These are the true or false. U underscore conserve underscore color. And the next one is vendor color. It's a true. It's a reference, and it is referenced to sys underscore user. So go to the vendor color. Reference. vendor color, u underscore vendor underscore color, which is reference to sys underscore user. And save it. In the next field, we need to create preferred com channel is a choice field. The next field is choice field. It's a preferred com channel. So I can give like a u underscore PC channel, P channel. You can give whatever you want. P channel. And the choices are email, phone. So here email, phone. Third choice is not required. Just cross it and close it and save it. And the next one is preferred com language. Choice field again. It's a choice field again. So get the choice to be here. And u underscore p language. The choice are like here English, German, French. English, German, French, and Arabic, Spanish, Dutch. Arabic, Spanish, Dutch. Right now these are enough. Cross it and save it. And you're gonna reload it, how the form looks like till now. That's pretty good. The next field is, oh, by the way, vendor color is mandatory, but we did not do that. So make it vendor color is mandatory. Yeah, the vendor color is mandatory true. Mandatory means it will give the red asterisk before the field. You can see it now. Okay, and the next one is business phone, mobile phone. So we have to get those fields in. String fields, those are string. But here I can see some strange. Here, like there was a one section created in that they are putting into no color vendor portal, and the remaining they are putting here like that. Okay, I can do that even also, like create one section. Click on this plus icon, it will create one section. Remove the section name and make it 2-column layout. Here you're gonna put that No color detail provided. Vendor color. 7 console color. The form looks like the client want the form like this, so that I am making to the same. So create one more section, and here you can take it as remove the section name first, and you can get that vendor color here. Just hold the right click and move your mouse. That's it. Preferred comms. Preferred comma. And get the string field here. I think it's a mobile phone. Oh, what is that? Business phone, mobile phone. Business phone. U underscore business underscore phone. It's not a mandatory. Save it. And the next one is mobile phone. U underscore. And the next one is company email. Email and company email. Those are also string fields. Email. U underscore email. The next one is company email. U underscore C email. So like the name field should be always small letters, starts with U underscore. If you make it like capital letters, or if you won't give that 100 U and all, the field will not save. Remember, save it. And the next one you're gonna create. Use company email for notifications. It's a true or false field. So that true or false. Use company. U underscore use company email. Is it true or false? If you want to make it default value like true or false, you can make it. But my requirement is not like that. So I'm not making it anything. So go to the form and just reload it, how it looks like. This is our form. Yeah, this is good. And the next one. Topic category. Before the topic category, we need to add some kind of annotation. That annotation should be like categorization information. So that we have to add one annotation. So create one section, remove it, annotation. In this annotation, take that line separator. I think it's a line separator only. I will check it before. sorry, section separator. If you want these headers and info box, blue info box, red line separator, section separator, text, you can try by yourself. If you are not getting something, you can do it. If you want me to take that also, I can do it once we are done with the form. Like now, section separator. Use categorization information. So categorization information. Oh, assignment information. We are just adding a fields, nothing other than that, nothing is doing. We are the still basics of service now. Like we completed 4 classes, I know, but still we are in basics of service. And here the next field we need to create topic category reference to SC catalog. It's a reference field. U underscore topic cat. SC underscore cat. Is of course we can make it mandatory if you want. So, and the next one is topic detail. It's like SC underscore category. Again, it's a reference. Category. The next one is FS service. This is SC cat item producer. Service. U underscore FS underscore service. SC underscore cat underscore item underscore produce. Producer. Make it mandatory. And we'll see how the form looks like now. Okay, this is pretty good. And the assignment information, we need to add 2 fields there. One is assignment group and one is assigned to. So we can add it since we are extending a this table from the task table, so that those fields are already existing in the task table. So we can just drag those assigned to and assignment. Existing fields you can see here in the fields. Save it. Okay. And the next field is we need to have a short description string and the length is 140. I think short description is already available in task table, so that I am getting that. But if you see here, I'm adding the short description. Reload. But it is coming as a small, but I want this short description should be like big, like one full length wide line I want. So what I will do is for that requirement, you just need to add one section, remove the section name, make it one column layout, add short description. Now my form looks so good. That's pretty good. This is good. Okay. Now I want to add, if you see here, I have added some related search results. If you go to the incident, try to create a new incident, also one kind of form. So if you see here, God, when I'm typing something here, the related results will come. For example, like email is not working. Why this is not coming? This is searching. Yeah, it will take time. Okay, see how it is coming. So like the same, I want to have one kind of related search results. So what I need to do is after short description, here there is a related search results, not here, sorry, the field types. We have some search results. Wow, where is that? We have for that, we have context search results, not the related. Here you can see context search results. Yes. So you can get that context search results here, save it. But we need to create those search results directly, it will not come. We need to configure something. It didn't come, we need to configure something. How we can configure is contextual search results. So go to your ServiceNow, main ServiceNow, and see contextual search. In the contextual search, I think it's a context menu. Incident. Every time I will forward this. All context. No, search context. I think in the search context we need to. No, just give me 2 minutes. I'm going to look into that. Table configuration, I think. Definitely this should be a table configuration. The same. I can check it in my previous one, contextual search. So in the table configuration, we need to add our related search results. Yes, I got it. Definitely I should get it. Yes, we can. For that, what we need to do is like type context here, go to the table configuration and create a new select the table FS case management. Come on. U_FS case management. The search context is like if you are doing the database or like a content knowledge or other modules, you can specify here whatever modules you want. But I can say here knowledge search or knowledge based search, and active is true only. If you want to specify any search as, you can enable the search as also. It will come. Right now something is not working here. So come on. Yes. Okay. If you give that enable search as, you can write some kind of scripting here. But right now we don't want anything enable search as and all. Directly you just need to submit it. Now if you not save it, you just reload it here. FS case menu. That's so awesome. I got something here, but here I can search like email is not working. We'll see it is working or not. Oh, that's pretty good. I'm getting. Okay. So this is the contextual related search. You need to create like you need to add the contextual search here from the fields. After that, go to the ServiceNow browser and table configuration. Once you go to the table configuration, you just need to click on new and give your table here in the table field. Come on, come on. Why I don't know, today's ServiceNow instance is too low. Okay, so give the table and here you can select that search context is something like knowledge based search. You can select it and you can submit it, nothing to do. Okay, then you will get that here case management. Okay, you get the related list. Okay. Now the next one is we need to create a section. The section called fulfillment instructions in the only description. So create a section. Section name is fulfillment instructions and make it one column layout. And here we need the string field to be description 1000 length. So get the string field. Description u_description and the length is 1000. Save. So we just created one section. If you create a section with name, that will come as a section in the form. We already know what is section and all. See, section will come like this. Now I want to create another section. Communications. And I want two column layout only. Spaces and all you should be like more careful. There I need to fields like watch list, work notes, additional comments 3. So that watch list I'm really sorry. Watch list, work notes, Watch list is already there in the task table so that we can directly get it. And work notes also we have. And work notes list, you can get it here. And additional comments. That's pretty good. And save it. And we'll see how the form looks like. Communications. But see here, my work notes are additional comments are small boxes. I don't want to like this. So what do you have to do again? The same approach. New section, remove the name, make it one column layout, drag the work notes to be here, drag the additional comments to be here, and save it. Now you can see how the form looks like. See, looks good now. In the next section, we need to create history and logs. Here we need to put opened by, updated by. Those fields will create like at the time of ServiceNow. A table is created, opened by, and updated. Updated by. The next one is assigned, resolved, closed, date fields. Date field. Assigned. Resolved is there or not in task table, we'll check. We don't have. So the next one is resolved. Also we need to get the date field. So the next one is closed. We'll check at least closed is also there or not in the task table. Yes, closed is there. And save it. Now we'll see how the form looks. Don't get confused. I am working in 57250. 57250. Okay, history and logs. These are like read only. My client is asking, make it opened by opened is also read only. What you will do? Just go to the form and make it read only. That's it. Very simple. Very, very simple. Next. The next section is service level information. And there the fields are FCR, response SLA breached, true or false. Sorry, I'm checking in fields, field types. Oh, Q underscore FCR underscore SLA. So the next one is response SLA not breached. What is this? Sorry, resolution SLA breached. True or false? U underscore RES underscore SL. Save. The next fields are, we have many, we are complete. Oh God, we have many. Tier 1 OLA breached. That is true or false field. U underscore TIER tier 1. Save it. Next, tier 2. True or false only. Tier 3. True or false only. So you just need to copy this name. Change it to, oh, tier 2. give like u underscore tier 2. Can you give me a second? Sorry, I was like other call. And the next field is string field, FCR SLA percentage, and default to 0. So get the string field here. And u underscore CR underscore SLA underscore percentage. And see, they are mentioned like we need to have a default value 0. Now to specify the default value here and save it. We'll see how this default value will come to the field. So if we go here and reload it, the default value, where it was not came, why? Specify the default value is 0. I given it already. Why it did not come? It should come. So go to configure dictionary. We can give the default value also here, like this also. Go to right click on the field and go to default configure dictionary. Give the 0. It's already there. Why it is not showing? I don't know. Something we need to give string. Don't think so. Don't think so. We can give the string here, but I don't know why it is not coming. Don't know at all. Don't know. What's that? Come on. It's coming up, but why it is not coming? I think what the problem is, we need to give the integer field here in show FCR SLA. We need to give the integer. Even if it is the string, we are getting that. But why it was not? I will check it here. I don't know. Quite strange. FCR SLA percentage. We can give that percentage. It should be like, even I did not give the 0 or what? I given O, I think. It's not 0. Maybe it's 0. Of course, make it read only. We'll see what will happen. You just go to the form and try to reload it again. Still, it is not coming as a default value. I don't know. I don't know what is the issue. I'm gonna check it today. We'll tell you in the next class. But try yourself. You can get the 0. Okay. And the next section is resolution SLA. Also, we have resolution SLA percentage. So get that also. Default value is 0. Make it read only. Save it. It is not coming up. I don't know why. I don't know why. We'll see that in the next class why it is not coming up. And the next one is escalation information tab we need to create. I think but another section. Escalation information. Here, like quickly, we need to tier 1 group, tier 2 group, tier 3 group, reference fields. Tier 1 group. U underscore T1, just T1 I will give one here. Sys underscore user underscore group. And tier 2 U underscore tier 2 sys underscore user underscore group. The next one is tier 3 U underscore TIR tier 3, and that is referenced to sys underscore user underscore group, and save it. The next one is T1 assignee, T2 assignee, T3 assignee, and it is referenced to sys underscore user table. Oh, we have a two fields, location, reference to CMN underscore location. U underscore LOC, you can say here the reference to CMN underscore location. Remember, when you create a reference fields, you should give the proper table every time. The next one is reassignment count, string. Default value is 0, but we are not getting the default value. Why, I don't know. Try from your end. Reassignment count, U underscore RE underscore count. Default value is 0 again. Make it read only. Since we are in Paris, something is happening or not, I don't know why the default value is not working. Next, T1 assignee, T2 assignee. So again, reference to CCO's table. Come on. U underscore T1 underscore. Reference to sys underscore. See, sys underscore user table will be like after the text index for. Don't confuse. T2 assignee. U underscore T2 underscore. Sys underscore. I don't require. I will make it T3 also. That's fine. It's T3, not U. U underscore T. The final section we are pinning it. Resolution information. It is done. We are done. Here the fields we need is error cause choice field. We can use string field as a choice also, make it string also, that's fine. But there is no difference, both are same. Choice values, choice field we have a display value, but the string fields we don't have. We'll tell you later when we are creating some kind of roles. Not the roles, when we removing choice values or populating choice values, that time you will get good clarification. The choices are no error, no error with no error issues with process, no error with timelines. Okay, 3 is enough. Save it. And the next one is number of documents string field. U underscore NB ND. That's it. Next one is do open count string field. Default value is 0, but for us default value is not working. Resolution note string field with 1000 length. U underscore RES. That's pretty good form we have designed. Just go to the form and reload it. See, this is our form. But my bad is default values are not working. Why I don't know, but we're gonna look into that. But resolution note is something like the small. I want to make it big. So that just do it one more section. Make it one column layout. Drag that resolution note to be here and save it. It's pretty good. Now you can see that form looks like. That's beautiful, awesome form. This is what for designing a form. This complete form you people should complete by Friday class. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me. I will be waiting for your doubts. Cool, no worries. Any doubts? Doubts. Any doubts?
Can we configure the buttons while designing a form? Instead, I want to reset all the fields. Can I configure a button from a form design?
Yes, you can configure a button like there was a concept called UA actions. Using that UA actions, you can configure buttons on the form. You mean to say that?
Oh, yeah. And the other
You
thing
mean to
is
say that? Bhargavi, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm able to.
Is it like the same requirement you are asking or something else?
Yeah, I'm asking about the requirement. I need a button called reset. And
You need a button on the form?
Yes.
So you mean to say you want that button to be here?
Yeah.
Okay, we have a concept called UA action. You can make it.
Okay. And the other thing is like if we are extending from the table task, would it be available under the application called service catalog? Is the right application?
when you are extending this table from the task table, will it be available on?
I found it available over service catalog application. Is it the right one to refer?
No, not that one. No, this is not the right one to refer. Okay. Task table is something like the other table. I'm gonna tell you like task dot capital list. Oh god. So go here, configure table. Not that one. This is the other one. Okay. If you go to the table, you can type like in the name or label task. You will get the task table. Don't refer the table. That is the different one.
Okay.
Any other doubts? Doubts are appreciated here. Doubts are very important also. When you people going with the interview, they will ask you the same questions. Same questions they will ask. Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? Vayo, Bhargavi, Sharat, Srija, Suchitra, Kirti, Ade, Vinky. Any doubts? If you people don't have a doubt, so I just gonna wind up this call. Please go and see the concept and try to create this table or design a form before the Friday class so that we'll move forward. Okay, fine. The silence I can take it as a no doubts. See you on Friday. You will get this video in 1 hour maybe. Is it fine? Bio, Ade, any doubts? I think no. We can wind up the call. Okay.
All right.